Welcome to back. Giloy, scientifically known as Tinospora cordifolia, is one of the most powerful medicinal herbs used in traditional herbal medicine. It is widely respected for its ability to strengthen the human body and improve overall health naturally. One of the greatest benefits of Giloy is its role in boosting immunity. It helps the immune system fight infections, viruses, and seasonal illnesses more effectively. People who often feel weak, tired, or fall sick frequently can gain great benefits from this herb. Giloy is especially known for reducing fever naturally. It supports the body during viral and bacterial infections and helps lower body temperature without harmful side effects. Because of this property, Giloy is commonly used as a supportive herb during dengue, malaria, and viral fever. This medicinal herb also plays an important role in improving digestion. Giloy helps cleanse the digestive system, supports liver function, and improves metabolism. People suffering from poor digestion, acidity, constipation, or liver weakness may experience relief with regular use. Another powerful benefit of Giloy is blood purification. It helps remove toxins from the blood, which results in healthier skin, better energy levels, and improved overall wellness. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, Giloy also helps reduce joint pain, swelling, and body inflammation. Giloy is beneficial for mental well-being as well. It helps reduce stress, supports mental clarity, and promotes a calm and balanced mind. This makes it useful for people dealing with mental fatigue, stress, or anxiety. Giloy can be consumed in different forms such as herbal juice, powder, capsules, or tea. When used properly, it supports long-term health in a natural and safe way. Because of its wide range of health benefits, Giloy is considered one of the most trusted medicinal herbs for human wellness.